In 2025, a new breed of wealthy individuals is capturing the essence of modern prosperity, redefining what it means to be affluent in a digital age. Unlike traditional millionaires with sprawling offices and burdensome schedules, these savvy entrepreneurs operate within the realm of pixels and platforms. They thrive on the innovations of technology, navigating a landscape where financial freedom is achieved without the trappings of a conventional workspace. The digital wealth class represents those who have harnessed the power of the internet, crafting their fortunes through ingenuity and digital mastery. Imagine individuals generating revenue through online businesses, where creativity and technology fuse to provide products and services to a global audience. No longer do they need employees bustling around in cubicles. Instead, AI and automation handle intricate tasks, allowing them to focus on growth and innovation. Revenue streams for these modern-day moguls come from diverse channels. Affiliate marketing allows them to earn commissions through partnerships, enabling them to monetize their influence without the hassle of inventory. AI-driven automation supports efficiency, ensuring they reap rewards even while they sleep. Empowered by knowledge, they create and sell digital products that resonate with audiences hungry for value. Platforms like YouTube transform into profit engines, where content creation translates directly into income. Online investments further solidify their financial footing as they navigate the world of stocks, cryptocurrency, and other digital assets with agility and insight. Consulting has entered the virtual realm, offering opportunities for expertise to be shared without geographical constraints. Remote consulting not only serves businesses but also fosters personal growth and coaching, expanding their outreach without the need for a physical presence. Additionally, digital real estate, encompassing domains and websites, has emerged as a lucrative asset class, appreciating in value as demand for online visibility skyrockets. As people discover the potential of the digital wealth class, it raises a defining question. Do you belong in this elite community? Understanding this shift is essential as we move further into a world increasingly defined by digital exists, leaving traditional paradigms behind. The digital wealth class illustrates that wealth can be generated in innovative ways, reshaping our concepts of success and prompting us to reconsider our ambitions. The journey is now digital, and with it comes boundless opportunities awaiting those who dare to embrace this new frontier. In 2025, a significant shift occurred in the workforce as the digital middle class emerged. This transformation was largely driven by the mainstream adoption of artificial intelligence (AI) tools. As these tools became accessible to everyone, individuals began to harness their capabilities to streamline processes and enhance productivity. The ease of use and affordability of these technologies meant that anyone with an idea could effectively launch their own online ventures. Additionally, the cost of starting a digital business dropped to virtually zero. Once reliant on initial capital investment and resources, aspiring entrepreneurs found that platforms and tools offering free or low-cost services made their dreams achievable. This democratization of business opportunities enabled a surge in individuals creating digital products, services, and content that resonated with global audiences. As a result, more people began earning anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 a month online. This newfound financial independence transformed lives and reshaped economic landscapes. People were no longer confined to traditional roles, finding ways to generate income that aligned with their passions and skills in the online realm. The possibilities for achieving financial stability expanded, leading to a renaissance of digital creators and innovators. In contrast, traditional jobs were experiencing slower growth. Industries that relied heavily on conventional employment models faced challenges as workers, drawn by the allure of digital opportunities, opted for flexibility and independence over structured office environments. The urgency to adapt became apparent as companies scrambled to retain talent, ultimately reshaping corporate structures and employment practices. Remote work continued to trend on a global scale, allowing individuals to collaborate across geographical barriers. This shift not only encouraged a healthier work-life balance, but also made it easier for diverse talent to shine, irrespective of physical location. As workers embraced remote opportunities, traditional workplaces had to evolve rapidly to meet changing demands. Moreover, the job market saw the rise of new AI-powered positions, which replaced older roles. Jobs that focused on routine tasks became obsolete, while new roles centered around AI management, analysis, and application flourished. This evolution challenged the workforce to adapt and acquire skills essential for success in this new job landscape, marking a profound change in how society viewed work and success. Embarking on the journey to financial independence and wealth creation in the digital age begins with acquiring a high-income digital skill. Choose a skill that resonates with you, whether it's digital marketing, web development, or graphic design. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and mastering a valuable skill will not only enhance your employability, but empower you to forge your own path in the online marketplace, opening doors to myriad opportunities. Once you have honed your chosen skill, the next step is to create your first digital asset. A digital asset could be an online course, a blog, or an ebook. This asset acts as a launching pad, allowing you to monetize your knowledge and experience. By branding your asset effectively and providing genuine value to your audience, you establish credibility and start generating income. Regularly refining and improving your product will drive continued engagement and sales. With your digital asset in place, it's time to embrace the power of automation through artificial intelligence, AI. Leverage AI tools to streamline operations, manage customer interactions, and analyze data for better insights. This will free up your time and allow you to focus on scaling your business. Embracing technology ensures efficiency and opens your business up to a wider audience. Building multiple income streams is crucial in the digital wealth class. Diversification helps cushion against market fluctuations and create stability in your financial portfolio. Explore avenues such as affiliate marketing, online coaching, or creating subscription-based content. Each additional stream enhances your overall income and contributes to your financial resilience. Reinvesting in index funds and additional digital assets is the next step towards sustainable growth. Allocate a portion of your profits towards these investments, ensuring your wealth continues to accrue benefits over time. Index funds offer a relatively stable investment option, while reinvesting in digital assets can lead to accelerated income growth and expansion. Finally, the last element of your strategy is scaling globally. With the vast reach of the internet, the potential for global exposure is boundless. Use social media and digital marketing strategies to tap into international markets. By understanding and adapting your approach to cater to diverse audiences, you can elevate your digital wealth to an unprecedented level and secure a prosperous future. In this unprecedented era, the digital landscape is transforming the way ordinary people accumulate wealth. No longer confined to elite circles, the opportunity to build extraordinary financial futures lies at your fingertips, ready to seize with the click of a button. Imagine a world where anyone with determination and a laptop can unlock pathways to prosperity, creating a vibrant ecosystem of aspiring tycoons and savvy investors. This digital wealth class is not a fleeting trend. It's a movement that's reshaping the financial landscape for countless individuals worldwide. As the digital revolution unfolds, new avenues for wealth generation emerge daily. From the rise of e-commerce and online investments to the blossoming of digital currencies, the possibilities are limitless. Ordinary individuals are harnessing their skills, creativity, and entrepreneurial spirit to navigate this realm of financial opportunity. Picture yourself mastering online platforms, utilizing cutting-edge technology, and connecting with like-minded individuals in virtual spaces where ideas flourish. This is where the magic happens, and where your financial dreams can take flight. Yet, amidst this opportunity lies a crucial question. Are you ready to be part of this transformation? The journey towards financial independence in the digital age is a bold adventure that requires commitment and the willingness to learn. Embracing the digital wealth revolution means stepping out of your comfort zone, adopting a growth mindset, and actively seeking knowledge. Subscribe to platforms like Being Financially, where insightful strategies on money management and investment await. With guidance from experts in the field, you can cultivate skills to help your financial ambitions thrive.